rain warning for Kuruk Sound until 5:45 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 7 nautical miles west of Knots Island Bay. The severe thunderstorm was merely stationary. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Knots Island Bay and Deal Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.